Hi guys, Alex here. So today I would like to answer a question, which is how do we run from what is inside of our head? So I think that this is really quite hard to answer that question because everybody runs differently. But let's say like this, that when we have these unpleasant thoughts, or maybe overthinking, whatever, because it's unpleasant, we don't want to tap into that, and we want to just that this stops, and we just resist it. But if I tell you that this is it, what it is in that moment, and also we are not used to examine that thoughts, and we just like to have pleasant thoughts, which is normal, like this is in human nature that we have pleasant thoughts and we like that. Like also in life, we like more pleasant thing than unpleasant thing. But what if I tell you that any time when these unpleasant thoughts are present, when we examine, when we inquire into that, when we see they has a lot of to show us, they has a lot of to teach us, there are a lot of to teach us. And more we are doing that, we are creating new conditioning to ourselves, and more less resistance we have to that thoughts and to the life, because that thoughts are also product of life, our past life. And some of them, they are maybe going back really when we were really young, maybe some of them are just new ones, but nevertheless they're the part of our identity. And when we are start to examine and see that for ourselves, we start to be more excited later on. We are not, this resistance to that thought starts to do diminished. And because we see every time they're not they here to hurt us, but they are here to show us something what we are not aware of yet. And anytime I work with somebody or just doing examination for myself, I see that they are just like a byproduct from the world, from the family, from the conditioning we are living. And it's not just that, the conditioning will not stop. We will be still conditioned. But what will change is our attitude to our thoughts. We will not resist them, which is another suffering to what is happening. So that stops. And our thoughts will be present until we are live. And and also, like, these unpleasant thoughts are present, and then we just know for ourselves, because we did the homework, if I can say like this, that they are not here to hurt us, but they are here to show us who we really are. And we then, when we do this inquiry few times, we're creating new conditioning for ourselves. And not just that, we also start to be different in the world. We are less and less judging the others. We are more peace with ourselves, and we are more peace just also with the others. So this is it for now. I think that it's really important that everybody examine for themselves. And but if anybody needs help, I'm here to help. I'm really happy to help, that you can examine for yourself and see for yourself that who you really are in your core. It doesn't have to do with that, with what are your thoughts are. Thank you for listening for now, and see you till the next time. Bye bye.